Hi guys, welcome to my video. So here we are going to create a very simple application, what most will refer to as a Hello World application, that being the very first application that one would create in order to learn programming in some way or other. So to get straight to it, we are going to select New Project from the File menu. And from the list of languages, we are going to select Visual Basic, and we are going to create a Windows Forms application. And I think it would be appropriate to call this Hello World. So here we are presented with a blank form in VS. By the way, I am using VS 2015, and we are going to change the text property to Hello World, and as soon as I hit enter, you will see the header text on the form change to Hello World from form 1. I'm also going to change the actual form name. So the name, or the control name, is what we will use to reference the form, in this case, through code. This being the main form, we'll go ahead and call it FRM main. And just for the sake of consistency, I am going to go ahead and change the actual form name for my project here too to FRM main. Next, we are going to select a label box, a text box, and a button control. Just as we did with the Windows form, we are going to change the text property to name. So the plan here is to display a message box which includes the contents of the text box here. We're also going to change, we'll call this txt my name, and we'll call the button btn, we'll just say, call it go for now. And we will also change the text property to go. Okay. Now to get to the code view, all we need to do is double click the button, and here we are. And what we are going to now do is write some code to take the contents of the text box and display them in a message. So very simple. So my name is, and txt name dot text. Now we need to select, so once you enter a comma, you can then select a style for the message box. In our case, we are going to go for VB information. So you'll actually see the question mark icon, which is what you're probably used to familiar with when seeing messages in Windows. And we are also going to give the message box a title, and we are going to call it name. And that is it. So if we go ahead and click start to compile the application, and if I enter, say for example Nathan, click and go, and there we are. There's our very first application, which takes the contents of the text box and places them in a message box. What I will also do is at some point do something similar, but in C# as well, just for those who wish to learn programming in Visual C# as opposed to Visual Basic.net. If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will try my best to come back to you guys when possible. Once again, thank you for viewing my video.